Good morning everybody. Today I take your math class, but chapter 8. Chapter 8 is the subject matter of chapter 8 is geometry. First of all, we have to learn what is called geometry. Geometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with the properties and relations of points, lines, surfaces, solids and higher dimensional analogies. That is, geometry means the measurement of earth. Okay, geometry. If we go to geometry, we have to learn something. That is what is called point. A point is a dot made with a sharp pencil on a sheet of paper. Okay, what is called line? A line is made up of points placed closely together. A line extends endlessly in both of the direction. It does not have endpoints. It does not have a fixed length. Okay, what is called ray? A ray has only one endpoint. It goes on endless in the direction of the arrow. What is called line segment? A part of a line is called a line segment. It has two fixed endpoints, so it has a definite length. A ray has one endpoint and line segment has definite length, so a line segment has two fixed endpoints. Curved lines, lines that are not straight but have a bend in them, are called curved lines. That is here. So now I start. These are the definition. You have to learn these definitions, and then I start exercise 8a. Exercise 8a. Identify the given figure. Here are some figures. You have to call it. Write it. What is this? Triangle. Three lines in a surface space that is called triangle. Rectangle. Four sides with equal length. C. Ray. One endpoints. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexagon. Line segment, that is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Hexagon. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hexagon. Three lines closed with a subfigure, that is called hexagon. That is line segment. That is pentagon. 5 lines. This is line. Okay. And then question number 2, fill in the blanks. Closed figure formed by the segments, that is polygon. Quadrilateral with all equal sides, square. Polygon with 7 sides is called septagon. Lines which never meet are called parallel lines. E. Lines which meet at one point are called intersecting lines. Okay. Question number 4. This is the figure ABCD, and identify the figure. What is called this figure? Rectangle. This is opposite sides equal, that is rectangle. If square with opposite sides equal, that is called rectangle. Name the vertex. These are vertex A, B, C, D. Point, close points, end points, that is called vertex. Name the sides AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay. Name the two diagonals. These are diagonals, AC and BD. Okay. AC and BD. How many lines? These are 6. Question number. How many lines can pass through? 1 point, many. 1 point, many lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, if there is 1 point, we have to draw many lines. Okay. So many. 2 points, 1. Here point, only 1 points, 2 points. 2 points, only 1 line. Okay. Worksheet, do question number 3 and 5 and 7 of exercise 8a at home. Do. Okay. Now we have to come 8b. Angle. What is called angle? Angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. That is, two rays meeting at a common end point. AO, OC meeting at the one point O. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. There is a protractor in a geometry box. These are called protractors, and you have to measure it with protractors. Number 1. Observe the given figure and answer. This is the figure. Name the marked angle ABC. That is angle का symbol this. Name the vertex of the angle B. Okay, name the arms of the angle, two arms AB, BC. Okay, 2 number. This is the figure. Observe the given figure and answer. Name the PSRQ. Observe the given figure and answer. Name the angle marked by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the marked. So name the angles marked by 1 in 2 different ways. As OSR, 1 number. OSR. Okay. Name the vertex and arms of angle marked by 2. 2. Name the vertex. Vertex here 2 number vertex. This is the angle and this is the vertex O and arms হচ্ছে OS OR. Okay. Name the angle whose arms are SQ and SP. SQ SP. SQ SP, that is Q. PP SQ. OP SQ or SP, that is angle here. PSQ. Okay. And worksheet question number 1 and question number 2 do at home. Okay, I repeat it again. So I hold this page. Okay, now I complete 8A and 8B and 8C. I give you question number 1 and question number 2 at home, and I give you some homework of 8A. Okay, and I discuss some definitions, what is called geometry, what is called line, rays, points, etc., etc. You have to learn it at home, and next day I discuss another chapters based on geometry, that is 8D and 8F. Okay, and now I complete 8A, 8B and C. I give you homework. Okay, thank you.